Well, Mom drove bus for the city. And Dad fixed the furnaces around town. We never really had too much, but there was always good folks around. I got 3 little sisters. Yeah, I pretty much kept to myself. Rebuilding worn out engines and doing things bad for my health. I worked myself through college, made the rounds at the old car show. Got me a job at the factory and then moved it to Mexico. I learned to roll with the punches, yeah, I learned to play the guitar. Still like an old hot rod and I still drive my convertible car. I worked myself through college, made the rounds at the old car show. Yeah, I got me a job at the factory and I moved it to Mexico. Mom drove bus for the city, yeah. Dad fixed the heat around town. I'm still strumming on this here guitar, yeah, looking for the perfect sound. I worked myself through college, made the rounds at the old car shows. Got me a job at the factory and they moved it to Mexico. Well, I never.